In this video, I will show how to delete a DigitalOcean droplet. Let's log into the DigitalOcean. Click on the login. Enter the username and password. Click on sign in. After login, go to the project where your droplet is. I have only one project and this is the droplet I am going to delete. If you have multiple projects, you need to go to the correct project, then you will see the droplet. Click on the droplet. From the droplet menu, click on destroy link. Then click on destroy this droplet button. DigitalOcean will ask for confirmation. Click on the red confirm button. Now the droplet has been deleted. If you have any associated snapshot, you can see it under images. Then go to snapshots. We don't have any snapshot for this droplet. If you have a snapshot and you don't need that, you can delete that also. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.